Today's video, I'm going to do some tabletop photography. I've done tabletop photography in the past, only lots of times I use off-camera flash. This time I'm going to use two light sticks that I got from Neewer, and I'll show you the light sticks. I'll show you what all came with them, and I'm going to move those light sticks around so I get the right lighting on the subject that I'm photographing. You can take all kinds of photographs in tabletop. This won't even be tabletop. This will be cocktail tabletop photography. I did some of them. They came out pretty nice, and you'll see those as we go through the video. I love tabletop photography. It doesn't take much. Camera, some lighting, and a subject. Throw in some background like some black poster boards or white poster boards, and you're on your way. You're on your way to some fairly unique photographs. So, hope you enjoy this one. I know I do because I like photography, and I like taking pictures to present to you on YouTube. Hope you enjoy this one. If you have suggestions on what else I can photograph, let me know. Again, understand, I'm not a professional photographer whatsoever. I'm just a hobbyist. But hey, I'm retired. You need a hobby, and photography's great. So enjoy this one, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next week. The lighting system I'm using is the Neewer light sticks. Here they are here. They came to this setup. They came with the light stick, they came with the stand, they came with some different color filters as well. Really reasonably priced. Now, I'm not getting paid to sponsor any of this stuff, but they were on sale and got the whole setup for like 69 bucks. This will be the camera that I'll be using for this particular shoot. It's a Nikon 6Z2. It's got an adapter on it, and I'm using a Tamron 35 120mm lens. I like this lens. I'll also be using this Nikon Z 50mm lens. It's a macro lens. We'll see how that works out. But most of the time, my greatest success is with that Tamron lens, but we'll give this a shot too. As far as the setup, I'm just using some whiteboard on the bottom and on the top to give it kind of a high-key background look. So what I like about these lights here is you can move them around and get different lighting on the subject, which in this case is that espresso cup. I think this will make an interesting subject using the black and white boards. I would change it out a little bit. Instead of using all that white, we'll go with some black for the bottom and black for the background. We got that nice white vase and that green leafy look. That should look pretty good. On this setting, I'm going to use a 1/13 of a second on the shutter. My aperture f/16 ISO, I had to boost that up to about 1,000. I think this will look pretty good. Take a glass doorknob and put a flower in it. Take a few photos, put it against a black background. It'll probably be really good. lights come in a nice portable bag you can transport them around in. They're actually shining on this thing. Now they come with their own plug-ins. I'm using batteries, easier to get around. They also come with a remote control, so you can do your lighting at different levels without leaving your camera. And this is kind of the best part. They've got different color filters that you can put over them, and that will change the whole outlook of your filming, give you a different color. Use them for backgrounds. Pretty nice. Well, I know that was a pretty short video, but I hope it inspired you a little bit to maybe throw some things on your tables, take out your camera. Use lights. Use any lights you can find. Use lights coming through a window. Use flashlights. Or use those sticks like I used. But you'll be happy with the pictures you get, and it's always fun to do. And actually, even though the video was really quick, I was in the living room a long time because the different settings, and there's all kinds of different tries of different lighting setups until you get the one that you think is right. And then when you get it on your computer and you start looking at them, maybe you still haven't gotten it right, so you got to do it again. So anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Hey, and thank you for all of you who have subscribed to the channel. Makes an old man happy. So keep subscribing. I like that. And I'll see you again next week.